everybody! I'm 5 years old. 5 years old! Welcome to my new vlog. Today, my uncle Tony and swim is Brandon.
It's Brandon.
What's up?
Later on today, we see Brandon and gonna fly to Joe.
Jace right now he's 5 years old, just turned 5 years old yesterday, and he's learning how to swim. And so far, he's doing a pretty good job at being able to swim. All right, you got this. Say your name to the camera. Say hi. What's up? I'm Jace.
What's up, I'm Jace.
And what are you about to do?
Swim to Brandon.
Hey! All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Boom! Good job. All right, now you're gonna swim back. Ready? Go! Good job. Okay, so I might have forgotten to buy a birthday candle, so we're just gonna change things up with a little candle. He's 5, so he won't remember this, right? Happy birthday, dear Jay! Okay, blow the candle, make a wish! What'd you wish for?
Hi.
Designer Camp 2018! Woo! As a creator, always be creative. And when you guys create stuff, make sure you guys finish things that you create. Finish projects. I think the biggest thing that's hard for creators is when they don't finish projects. Because you're not really a creator until you've created something. And you don't create something until you finish something. So make sure that in everything that you guys do, finish it. Even if it's not the best thing that you guys have, it's still something that's finished. It's complete. Finish your products, no matter if it's great or not, but at least you can say, you know what, this is something that I have and it's complete and it's done. And then you move on to the next one and you make it better, alright?
Let me be your mirror, baby, I'll be your reflection. You must be an angel, swear that beauty is a blessing.
Basically, the last couple of days I've been sick, so I haven't really been vlogging because I look like crap and felt like crap. But today I'm doing a couple of things. I'm setting up the tape in my room, and I use some spackle to cover some holes in my walls because I'm going to paint it all white. I want to be able to vlog in my room without it looking like crap. And I actually really like bright environment. I feel like it, you know, brings things to life and stuff. I feel like if all the walls were white, then it would just be like bomb lighting. And then later on, I am throwing like a little pool party or whatever. I've spent the entire summer getting my pool to be blue.
You are the worst lying face ever.
She just starts smiling. She's just
I didn't even call it. She just was like, you know, I'm just gonna do.
Don't forget, this is cool.
Negro.
you know if you broke it.
America, I just checked my following. Listen, two motherfuckers on me.
So when there's no stress here, because you always have enough breath to go through to do whatever it is you're doing, and you're using all the front stuff to make the tones and the feeling and all that stuff, you connect this to this.
Because I don't drink, I don't smoke,
Good,
I don't
good,
do
good.
drugs.
Good.
I'm like very careful, and I even like sleep with a humidifier. And these are all methods, and I drink only water. I don't drink
Yes.
tea or
Yeah,
soda or
yeah.
anything like that as a means to preserve my voice, but I still end up having, at least like after 10, my voice gets so dry.
But you have to make sure that this guy, the larynx, is relaxed. And you do that first by doing a silent breath, so that there's no, because that dries your throat immediately.
So I'm very visual when I
Yes,
sing,
that's
so
right.
I use my hands a lot to kind of demonstrate what I'm doing
Yes.
with my voice. The way that I can like actually reach my high range is by putting everything forward. The birthday boy, hey! Look at him. Are you 24 now?
You know what time it is? Yeah.
What time it is?
It's time to reach.
You're like, all right, it's his birthday. Wow. Wow, 24. 2 days ago? I thought it was just yesterday. Wait, I was 2 days late? Wait, was it on Sunday or Monday? Right now, I just got a lot of clothes. For a couple of trips that I have coming up, I'm going to be going to sand dunes on Sunday, so I have some clothes and outfits for that. Also, this is my room now. I've been spending the last couple of days basically improving it, renovating it, and just making it more, honestly, more creative, you know, because I think that it's important as an artist to be in an environment where you're constantly being inspired. There's creativity around it, and I'm getting new carpet soon, but I'm like super happy because, you know, this is an example of making the best of what you have and making sure that, you know, if this is what I have at the moment, then I'm gonna make the best of it. You know, I'm gonna make it pop, I'm gonna make it livable, I'm gonna make it look like how I want it to look. We are here at Glamis Sand Dunes with guess who?
What up, what up?
I forgot his name. What's your name again?
I don't even know it.
He doesn't even know it. See, this is why I like this guy. I like people who don't know who they are. I've come here like multiple times in the past, and I feel like I've already gotten like the shadowy kind of thing, so I wanted to see what this place would look like when it's overcast. He's single, you guys. Looking for a lucky lady.
Hit me up.
Lady.
Hit me up. It's not that hot.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
I just make it. Wait! Don't go up yet, because I'm going to shoot there and I don't want you to get footprints on it.
Running from a up, and I shoot at up, white, and I'm on the block, white, and I'm on the block.
I look like I got electrocuted, and I know that once the sun sets, it's going to be even more remarkable.
Hey!
Making my way downtown, walking fast, da da da. Yo, this wind is pretty insane, and it's jacking up my hair. Nobody mess with my hair, cause that don't make me happy. But this shirt though, it does pop. Just an advice, if you guys ever decide to come out here, make sure you bring flip-flops, cause A, your shoes are gonna get dirty, and the ground is scorching hot.
So many people, it's so crazy. Get her done. Get her done.
All right, y'all, so I know lighting, all right? I know when I can predict good sunsets. So I'm telling Justin here. I'm telling Justin here.
Here, what up, guys? Here's here.
I'm telling Justin that the sunset today, this evening, is going to be absolutely spectacular. It's going to be phenomenal, all right? And I can bet you. In fact, we're going to shake on it.
He said it's going to be pink and beautiful, and the horizon is just going to be amazing.
All right, now the lighting has changed. So anyway, this is your first time in the sand dunes.
Yep.
What's your impression?
Beautiful, dude. Looks like we're out in Dubai or something.
Hey, so how good do I look in these shots? Amazing, right?
Well, I am taking them, so no shit.
Damn! The sunset is gonna be amazing. What'd I say? What'd I say?
Block with this.
Hey, what do I say, bro? Look at that beautiful sunset. Damn! So basically, we came here to enjoy this lovely heat, desert, fiery, hot environment. Because guess what? Next week, we're gonna be going to Alaska, and we're gonna be shooting on a freaking glacier. Shooting on a glacier.
Polar bears.
We're gonna see
go
polar bears.
fishing.
We're gonna see penguins. We're gonna see Santa Claus. We're gonna see everybody. Everybody we need to. Yeah, I'm super excited because I think Alaska's gonna be dope, and we're shooting on a glacier. Like, who shoots on a glacier?